It's time for another 5 Premiere Pro secrets. If you haven't seen the first episode, be sure to watch it. Let me know how many out of these 5 you knew about already in the comment section, and either I should make another episode of Premiere Pro secrets or not. Let's cut to the point number 1. If we want to render a part of the timeline, we can simply add in and out point with I and O shortcuts. The problem is that we end up with one additional frame at the end that we don't want in an exported file. That's because a frame is actually 1 frame long in duration. This means that we're always looking at the frame just after the solid blue line. We can use X shortcut, but it will select only the file under the playhead. Luckily, there is a great shortcut that doesn't cause this problem. It's a /. It will add in and out point for any selection you make on the timeline. Select one clip, / and you're ready to export it. Select a range, / and you're ready to go. No additional frame at the end of the selection. Last time I was talking about increasing or decreasing playback speed by only 10% with Shift+L and Shift+J shortcuts. Visual Feast commented that there is yet another way we can use JKL shortcuts that's also worth extra attention. If you hold KL or KJ simultaneously, you will get slow playback right away. It's 1/4 of the regular playback speed. Visual Feast says that it's great for lining up audio bits or checking audio sync, and I agree with him. What's neat about this playback mode is that if you release K first, you will get regular speed playback. And if you choose to hold L or J, you can toggle between a regular and slow playback mode, pressing K whenever you want to. Huge thanks to Visual Feast for contributing to the discussion. If you have your own Premiere Pro secrets you want to share, the comment section is yours. By default, when we use an eyedropper in the Lumetri color effect, it uses the pixel under the cursor to adjust the white balance. And because of that, it can be as unpredictable as a 2-year-old child. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. If you happen to click on a pixel affected by a sensor's noise, or just not the one that appropriately represents the color, you will end up with the worse white balance than before using the eyedropper. However, we can hold Ctrl while we use the eyedropper tool to have 5x5 pixels sample area. Average chrominance and luminance will be used for calculations, which in most cases will give us better results. If we want to copy effects or attributes from one clip to another, we could simply select the ones that we want and after making a desired selection use paste command. But there is a better way. We can simply select a clip we want to copy effects from and hit Ctrl+C. And then select destination clips and hit Ctrl+Alt+V. Paste attributes dialog box will appear, and here we can choose the ones we want to paste. Genius. It includes intrinsic and extrinsic effects for both video and audio, as well as essential sound parameters. If you want to quickly check properties for any selected clip on the timeline or in the project panel, you can use super useful shortcut Ctrl+Shift+H. The resolution, file size, codec, audio format information, and so on, always in your back pocket. Now you need to watch the first episode, so see you there. And if you're regular here and you like what I do, consider showing your support on Patreon. Some cool perks like a private chat group or free motion graphic templates included. Please leave a like under this video. It was Peter, see you next time.